And here we are. Winter. It's not really winter. We think it's winter because there's snow on the ground. We think it's winter because it's cold, because it's windy, because we have to start the fire, turn on the heat. We think it's winter right now, November 21st, 21st, I guess, day before Thanksgiving. Yes, here we are. Thinking it's winter when it's November 21st. I invite you to breathe. As you breathe in love. And you breathe out, letting go what you no longer need. I'm here the day before Thanksgiving. This beautiful winter wonderland, as my mother would say. It's a winter wonderland. I'm remembering you, Mom. And she'd go out cross-country skiing in this, as well as, which is what I'm kind of doing, you know. It's just lovely outside when you dress for it. But what came to me today to share on camera, on video, is how far we've come in our separation from everything. Our separation, most especially from those out there, our brothers and sisters, our relatives in the earth plane, on all dimensions, in all walks of life, whether it's aquatic life or avian life or terrestrial life or whatever. We seem to have created, or it has been created, this amazingly detrimental separation. I have been made more aware of it lately by watching television. 2 days, well, last night I watched television, and I don't watch television. I don't own a television, but sometimes when you're down, you search for something familiar. So I searched for the television. And it made me very aware today of how separated we have become. We may sing the song, No Separation. We may say that we want unity and brotherhood and sisterhood with all things. We may say those words. And those are good words. However, we need to feel and act and live those words. We need to live brotherhood and sisterhood. We need to live unity. We need to live from, I am related to you. I am related to the snow. I am related to these trees, the sky, the water, the air. I am related to all things. Because if it weren't for all those things, where would I be? The earth gives me my shelter, my food, my fire from the trees. The earth gives me the ability to drink in the nectar of inspiration, bringing in spirit through the oxygen, through the air, through the unseen into me. And then she takes it away as I let it out and gives it back to the trees. The fire of our sun, the sun that we can't live without. We are all related to that sun and to all the cosmos, all the stars, not just this star, not just our star. We are related to all stars. All stars are fire. We are related to the water. We cannot live without water. Our body is some huge percentage, at least 70% of water. Some say 90% water. A lot of water in this body. Everyone's body needs water. All bodies need water. My whole point of this today is to come to the point of stop separating from yourself. It is time to give thanks and gratitude and appreciation for this body this body that may have aches and pains, this body that may need help in seeing or smelling or something. Be grateful for this body, this heart, these organs inside of you. When you become, the wind is affirming that. Thank you. Thank you. Take care of this body. Not only be thankful tomorrow, be thankful today, and be thankful the day after, and have gratitude every single day of 365 days a year. Have gratitude for this heart, this skin. You are a cell of the earth. You belong to the earth, just like my blood cells belong to me, are in me. When you start taking care of yourself like this, in gratitude every day for the smallest things, because they are huge. They are huge. Breathing, we think of it as small. It's huge. Step up. And your own separation from yourself. Begin loving this being, and then you can start seeing this being everywhere, among all things. The separation is here. Here. Me, you. No. Love this body first, and let this body speak to you, and you will know. You will know why you are here, and you will know the most great, miraculous life you could ever imagine. So on this Thanksgiving, begin your practice of daily having gratitude for this body. Until next time, be well, and happy Thanksgiving. Happy Indigenous Peoples Day. Giving thanks is not a tradition started by one people, but it is a tradition that you can start for yourself today.